Welcome to our guide on the 5 best hair masks for nourishing, repairing, and revitalizing your locks. Whether you're dealing with dryness, damage, or dullness, a high-quality hair mask can transform your hair routine. In this video, we'll walk you through the top products from Redken, Living Proof, L'Oreal, Amika, and Ouai, detailing their features, benefits, and performance. By the end, you'll know exactly which hair mask suits your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more expert product recommendations. Kicking off our list at number 1, Redken. The Redken All Soft Mega Mask is a game-changer for those with dry or brittle hair. Formulated to provide intense hydration, this mask delivers a deep conditioning treatment that leaves hair soft, shiny, and manageable. Ideal for all hair types, it's particularly effective for coarse or severely dehydrated strands. Key features: this mask features Redken's RCT protein complex, which targets the root, core, and tip of your hair for complete nourishment. It also includes a dual-chamber system combining a deep conditioner and an extender to provide benefits that last up to 3 washes. Benefits and usage: the mask works to restore softness, reduce frizz, and strengthen hair. To use, apply it to clean, damp hair and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. For maximum results, pair it with Redken's All Soft shampoo and conditioner. Usability: designed with an easy-to-use pump applicator, this mask ensures precise application without waste. Its creamy texture spreads easily, ensuring thorough coverage from root to tip. Durability: the dual-chamber design ensures the product remains fresh and effective, while its long-lasting effects mean you'll need to use it less frequently, making it an economical choice. In the second spot, we have Living Proof. The Living Proof Restore Repair Mask is a must-have for anyone battling damage or split ends. Developed with advanced technology, this mask works to repair and protect hair from future breakage while delivering a luxurious, salon-like treatment at home. Key features: Living Proof's patented healthy hair molecule, OFPMA, is the star of this formula, helping to smooth hair, repel dirt, and strengthen strands. The mask is silicone-free, which means no heavy residue, just light, breathable hydration. Benefits and usage: this mask repairs damaged cuticles, restores moisture, and leaves hair feeling soft and silky. Apply generously to damp hair after shampooing, focusing on mid-lengths and ends. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Usability: lightweight and non-greasy, this mask is suitable for all hair types, including fine hair, as it doesn't weigh hair down. Its rich consistency ensures easy application and even coverage. Durability: a little goes a long way with this concentrated formula, so 1 jar can last for months with weekly use. Plus, its protective qualities mean your hair stays healthier for longer between treatments. Coming in at number 3 is the L'Oral Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Damage Erasing Balm is a budget-friendly powerhouse designed to tackle 5 key signs of damage: split ends, weakness, rough texture, dullness, and dehydration. Perfect for those on a budget who still want salon-level care. Key features: infused with ceramides and protein, this mask repairs and strengthens the hair shaft while deeply conditioning. Its rich, buttery formula provides instant results, leaving hair soft and manageable. Benefits and usage: this mask targets damaged areas, sealing in moisture and restoring strength to weakened strands. After shampooing, apply generously to wet hair, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, and rinse for instantly softer hair. Usability: the thick texture is easy to distribute, making it perfect for quick applications in the shower. It's also safe for color-treated hair, ensuring your hue stays vibrant. Durability: with regular use, this mask offers cumulative benefits, and its large tub provides great value for the price. Perfect for those who use masks frequently but don't want to break the bank. Taking our 4th spot is Amika. The AmSoul Food Nourishing Mask is a cult favorite for its ability to hydrate and revive dull, lifeless hair. With its rich yet lightweight formula, it's ideal for all hair types, including fine hair that needs hydration without heaviness. Key features: Packed with jojoba seed oil and sea buckthorn berry, this mask delivers a dose of vitamins and antioxidants that rejuvenate your hair. Its sulfate-free, paraben-free formula makes it safe for color-treated and chemically processed hair. Benefits and usage: this mask boosts shine, strengthens strands, and deeply conditions without weighing hair down. Apply generously to clean, damp hair and leave on for 5 to 7 minutes before rinsing. Use it as a weekly treat for your hair. Usability: the lightweight, creamy consistency ensures even application and quick rinsing. Its pleasant fragrance adds a spa-like touch to your hair care routine. Durability: a little goes a long way, so one jar can last for several months. The nourishing effects build over time, making this a staple in your hair care arsenal. And finally, at number 5, we have Ouai. The Ouai treatment mask is a luxurious option for those looking to pamper their hair. Created by celebrity hairstylist Jen Atkin, this mask is designed to repair damage, add shine, and leave hair feeling silky smooth. Key features: featuring a blend of artichoke leaf extract, keratin, and tamarind seed extract, this mask strengthens hair, prevents breakage, and enhances elasticity. Its nutrient-rich formula works on all hair types, including textured and curly hair. Benefits and usage: this mask restores hydration, repairs damage, and protects against environmental stressors. Apply to damp hair and leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing. Use once a week or as needed for best results. Usability: the thick, creamy formula is easy to work through your hair and doesn't drip during application. Its sleek, travel-friendly packaging makes it convenient for on-the-go use. Durability: the rich formula ensures that even a small amount provides significant results. With weekly use, a single tub can last several months, making it a worthwhile investment. And there you have it, the top 5 hair masks to elevate your hair care game. Whether you're looking to repair damage, hydrate dry strands, or simply pamper yourself, these masks cater to all hair types and concerns. Remember, investing in your hair is always worth it, and these products deliver salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe for more expert product reviews. Let us know in the comments which mask you're excited to try.